In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a fundamental skill for any video editor, whether you're crafting a cinematic masterpiece or creating content for social media. Adding engaging titles can enhance your storytelling and make your videos more professional. First things first, let's navigate to the toolbar. There, you'll want to find the Type tool. You can do this either by clicking the Type tool icon directly or by simply pressing the T key on your keyboard. This tool is essential for creating any text-based elements in your project. Once you have the Type tool selected, direct your attention to the Program Monitor. This is where you'll design the layout of your text. Click and drag your mouse on the Program Monitor to define the area where you'd like your text title to appear. Think of this as drawing a box that will contain your title. It's important to place this box appropriately to ensure that your title will be easy to read and aesthetically pleasing. With your text box in place, it's time to type your title. This is your chance to get creative with your wording. Ensure your text is clear, concise, and relevant to the content of your video. Keep in mind that different styles of video will require different types of titles, so always consider your audience. After you've entered the title, head over to the Effects Control panel. This is where you can fine-tune your title's positioning and size. Experiment with these settings until the title sits perfectly within your frame. Remember, positioning can make or break the effectiveness of your text, so take your time here. Next, you'll move on to the Essential Graphics panel. This panel is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust the look and feel of your title. From font styles and colors to shadowing and background, the Essential Graphics panel lets you customize almost every aspect of your text. It's a great space to let your creativity shine, so don't be afraid to try different combinations until you achieve the desired effect. By following these steps, you can easily add a title to your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's not only about adding text, but also about enhancing your video's narrative and making your work stand out. Practice is key, so keep experimenting with different styles and effects to discover what works best for you and your projects. Happy editing!